Transport and filter water while backcountry camping, backpacking, also ideal for emergency preparedness kit. Rolls up for easy packing. Easily create a gravity-based water filtering system with the Sawyer MINI, dual-threaded MINI, micro-squeeze and squeeze water filtration systems, not included. Lightweight, collapsible, 1-gallon water bladder, 3.78 liters, with wide mouth for fast, easy filling and a convenient carry handle. Reservoir is ideal for disaster relief settings where transporting water buckets is challenging. Weighs just 3.75 ounces. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to fill and carry water. With the flex pouch, I can easily fill water from a tap over a small sink. Big mouth is good to catch lake water. Nice handle to carry. Good capacity. I am happy with the purchase. Not sure about the durability. Haven't used it much yet.